Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a product review part 2 of the microlux variable speed bandsaw. Disclosure, I don't work for Micromark, company I bought it from. I don't work for microlux. I don't even know who they are. But it says made in China on the actual object, so this is some Chinese guy. Alright. I've been wanting that saw for 20 years. It arrived 3 hours after I got home on Friday from having an angiogram the day before. There's a picture of it. Right there, see? Nice little bandsaw, exactly the right size for my shop and my work. Okay, I tested it out. I put some peach branch through it, cut it beautifully, cut it nice and clean. My biggest problem is I had to hold the saw with one hand while I was pushing through with the other because I didn't have it bolted down. My daughter had me cut a piece of pine board. She wanted a approximately inch wide strip taken off one edge so that she could make a smooth, straight edge. Like butter. Of course, it's a brand new blade. You know, new blades cut better than old blades. But it's not that. It's the machine itself. They say only put so much thickness through it. They underrated it a little bit so that you wouldn't break it when they said you can cut a 2x4 with it. And a 400-pound idiot says, it broke! There are some JPEGs showing internal details of it. Very nicely constructed. Machining is very nice. This is not your cheap Chinesian bandsaw. Chinese, yes. Not cheap Chinese. Later that night, like a 10-year-old kid with a new toy, I chopped up some manzanitas sitting on the chain link fence next to the shop for 20 years, aging. Oh man. At maximum diameter, it will go through the throat of the saw. Not a wimpy saw if you use it in the size range it's designed for. Of course, me, I'm going to use it a little bit past the size range it's designed for and just baby it. That's it. If you're going to overwork it, baby it.